right, so good morning. 9:58 in the AM. Today is Thursday, January 16th, 17th, 25th. Today we are going to Waitomo to go check out the caves. We're gonna do a little cave dwelling. I'm not a professional on the subject, but that being said, we're really excited. We have an app called Rankers New Zealand. It's like Campermate and all these other apps that you have, but it has nothing but amazing reviews for this place that we're about to stay. We've heard it's like a bit of a farm, a communal area. It's more hostile, young people. So there's like a fireplace, there's a TV and a DVD collection and stuff. I know DVDs, right? Like everyone's on Netflix now or whatever, but so this is what kind of we're thinking it's gonna be like. Now let's go check it out and let's see what it's actually like. Since it's so early and we're only an hour away because we are in Hamilton right now, so we're gonna go to a little cafe in Waitomo and hang out there for a bit and then check in. All right, you ready, Jess?
Ready.
Okay, sweet. We'll see you in a bit. Doesn't seem to be too many people here. We reached 2,000 kilometers on our road trip so far. Please angle park. We just stopped off at this fruit and veggies market. We're gonna pick up some vegetables for tonight and for tomorrow. See what other stuff they have as well. Maybe three? Yeah, there's more over there as well. I know that the seasons are supposed to be getting warmer, meaning like it's supposed to be summer coming up pretty quick here, but we had like a thin layer of frost on the top of our car when we woke up this morning. Really, really cold last night. But that being said, we are going to the Waitomo Caves. Waitomo Caves. I don't know why I said it like that, but Juno Hall was the place that we talked about yesterday, and it definitely exceeded expectations. Great location. The weather helped out a lot. It was smoking hot yesterday, and right now it's 4 degrees, so a little bit of a difference between day and night. I'm gonna have a coffee, and we are gonna rock and roll.
For your safety, the following precautions and messages need to be followed. Live it up, live it up, live it up.
We got Team Spain here, we got Team Philippines, and Team Canada. How you doing, leader?
Good.
All right, we're here at some of the Waitomo Caves, and there's a natural spring here, or it's natural spring water that's basically filters through the rock and through the moss, and we're gonna have a drink. Taste the treat. Oh man, this is so cool. Temperature's like probably about 10 degrees. It's not too hot, not too cold. And we're coming up on some really cool cave structure here. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and the sun is just hitting this so nicely.
Like I say, I just use it for to get used to your boots, walking in the river. The scenery's not too bad. It's been clean, but this area has been settled in. We're not a very old people, I think.
Alright, we are now entering one of the caves, or the kind of cave route, and it's gonna get real dark real quick. What's wrong?
Oh man.
What's wrong?
So.
Oh man, there's so much water in my boots right now.
Yeah, but look, just down here, you'll see a little eel.
Yes.
Whoa. This is crazy. Whew. These helmets are awesome. Much needed.
Yeah. Learn how to rock for myself.
This is not good for people with claustrophobia.
Alright, let's not get left behind.
Whoa. We just turned off all our lights and experienced total darkness for like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes or whatever. What an experience. I don't know if anyone has ever experienced total darkness, but it's very blissful. Can you pull up?
Yeah.
See, sometimes being big is not good.
I don't want to do that.
I don't know what's going on up there, but looks like a lot of bending bodies and flexibility. Whew, this is really crazy. I don't recommend this for anyone who's got claustrophobia. Whew.
And if we turn our lights off, the place they want it to go is underground.
How was that?
Good.
Jess led our expedition back.
Vicious.
We were definitely in close quarters there for a bit, and having to pull ourselves up. Like, it's a pretty expert course, yeah?
I love it, yeah, it's cool.
Jess is a cave fanatic, so.
Fancy seeing you here.
Oh man, wait, I'm doing this weird.
On your stomach, babe.
Yeah, did I get it? Oh, perfect.
Stand on my toe.
Here, babe.
And you're going up here.
That's like actually painful. And some of the rocks there.
Yeah, I know, you can't put your knees on them.
Oh man, you go into this kind of narrow space, and then you come out thinking that you can put your hand down or something, and it's just like a drop off. Wild. We're gonna try and get a close-up of a glowworm.
It's not a worm.
What is this?
It's mucus.
Worm.
You know what they're doing with their little lights on. They're monkey bugs in the river.
What a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Do one of Heath and myself. Thanks for the guidance, Heath.
Not a problem at all.
That was awesome.
Easily done. It was my extra helper.
Yeah. Jess got to lead for a couple of minutes there. That was fun. The little cave splunker she is.
I want beautiful plants.
Today we went to the Waitomo caves. Well, some of them at least. There's a whole bunch of them. We just thought it was so awesome. Our guide was great. Heath, he was super chill. Kind of reminded me of my dad actually. Really easygoing. Nothing bothered him. He was really accommodating for everyone because everyone was kind of at different levels. We were definitely crawling and getting muddy and dirty and wet, and it was just incredible. We're gonna go around the site here and we're just gonna feed the animals. So this calf was born 3 days ago, I think, right? That one on the left there. And the one on the right here, a few weeks older, something like that. On to some boars and pigs, and we have some llamas, and we have a really tiny baby sheep that's really curious, so check this out.
Oh.
Oh wow. This reminds me of Asterix and Obelix. Just throw it down there. They don't like your bagel, and you didn't either today, so.
Here.
There we go.
And the other one? Oh, he's trapped. Don't have any food. Oh, his fluffy little fur.
Do you want some more?
Look at how cute this face is. Very heavy.
So, do you want to go have a hot dog now?
Yeah. Oh.
Today was really interesting. Jess and I were just talking about the caves, and I had said I'd never really done anything like that to that extreme before in the way of cave splunking. I think the biggest thing was like my fear of what I thought was gonna come. Like I'd see Jess crawl through a really small hole. Is there gonna be something small, like smaller than this? Am I gonna be able to fit through? And so my fear was more about the anticipation of what was coming up as opposed to the actual caves themselves. We were sitting down in this cave in total darkness, and Heath started talking about the group of Thai kids, the soccer team. They were stuck in a cave for 2 weeks or something. After 2 days, their lights stopped working. They also didn't know if the river was rising or falling. We were only there for like 10 minutes. You know, we were only experiencing this thing for 10 minutes, and they were there for 12 days of total darkness, not knowing if people were even coming for them. So I think that would leave a very traumatic scar on these poor boys. And getting them out, they had to go under anesthesia and put them to sleep, and then literally tape their masks to their faces so that they wouldn't become dislodged as they were kind of exiting the cave, which was in itself a huge amount, like kilometers long, to try and get them out. So I felt my mind start to go like, ooh, this is really creepy, like we're really closed in. What happens if there's an earthquake and yada yada yada, but obviously nothing happened, and everything was great. All right, should we go get some wine and have a bit of a afternoon? We're gonna go have a bit of a barbecue at home and so on and so forth, and should be a really good day. Jess is really happy because she gets her tanning in, so cool. I'll see you guys in a bit.